Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively at VU. First, organize your course materials by creating dedicated folders for each subject, whether digital or physical, to ensure everything is easily accessible. Next, establish a consistent study schedule, aiming for at least 2 hours daily per subject. It's also crucial to thoroughly understand each course's outline and assessment criteria. Finally, make sure you regularly check the university's online learning platform for important announcements and additional resources. To maximize your learning, actively engage during lectures by taking concise notes and don't hesitate to ask questions for clarity. Forming study groups can be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss complex topics and gain different perspectives from your peers. Make sure to practice with past exams and quizzes. This helps you become familiar with the question formats and time constraints. Also, break down large assignments into smaller, manageable tasks to prevent feeling overwhelmed and ensure steady progress. Effective time management is key. Prioritize your tasks using a planner, always focusing on deadlines and the weight of each assignment. Remember to take short, regular breaks during your study sessions. This helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. The university library is a valuable resource, offering an extensive collection of academic journals and books, so use it. And never hesitate to seek support from academic advisors or tutors if you encounter difficulties with your coursework. Staying motivated is crucial for long-term success. Set realistic academic goals for yourself and remember to celebrate even small achievements along the way. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is also vital. Ensure you get adequate sleep, proper nutrition, and regular physical activity. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth *. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth * and other helpful deals. Finally, connect with your peers and participate in university events to build a strong, supportive network.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.